normal microbiota or flora. Normal microbiota are population of microorganisms that live on or in another living organisms without causing disease. This population of microorganisms routinely found on or in the body of healthy individuals. This normal microbiota that typically inhabit or live on or in the body of animals can be resident microbiota and transient microbiota. Resident microbiota are microorganisms that establish permanent residence in or on the body, forming a stable and symbiotic relationship with the host. This group of microorganisms persist long term under normal conditions and aid in digestion, vitamin synthesis, immune modulation, and protection against pathogens. Transient microbiota are microorganisms that temporarily inhabit certain parts of the body but do not establish permanent residence. They are present for short periods. It might be about hours, days, or weeks due to environmental exposure, food, or personal contact. They can often be removed by proper hygiene, such as hand washing. They do not adapt to the host environment and may fail to compete with resident microbiota for resources. There are many reasons to acquire knowledge of the normal microbiota. Acquiring knowledge of normal microbiota is essential for several reasons, including the first one, understanding health and disease. The normal microbiota competes with harmful microorganisms, preventing infections by outcompeting or avoiding pathogens for resources and space. They also have a role in digestion and metabolism. That is, the normal microbiota helps synthesize essential nutrients like vitamin K and certain B vitamins. They aid in breaking down complex carbohydrates and fiber that the human digestive system cannot process alone. Knowledge of individual microbiota profiles aids in customizing treatments, especially in gastrointestinal disorders, autoimmune disease, and even mental health. Knowledge of the normal microbiota helps physicians understand the causes and consequences of colonization and growth by microorganisms normally absent at specific body sites. An increased awareness of the role that this normal microbiota play in stimulating the host immune system can be gained. This awareness is important because the immune system provides protection against potential pathogens. Generally, by understanding the normal microbiota, we gain insights into maintaining health, preventing disease, and advancing medical science. The normal human microbiota have a protective role from disease-causing microorganisms. Most significant contribution to health is protection against pathogens. The normal microbiota excludes pathogens by 1. Covering the binding sites that might otherwise be used for attachment of pathogen. Second, consuming the available nutrients that might be used by pathogenic microorganisms. Fourth, producing compounds toxic to other pathogenic bacteria. And fourth, stimulating adaptive immune system. When members of the normal microbiota are killed or their growth suppressed, as can happen during antibiotic treatment, pathogens may colonize and cause disease. For example, oral antibiotics can also inhibit members of the normal intestinal microbiota. This allows the overgrowth of toxin-producing strains of Clostridium difficile that cause antibiotic-associated diarrhea and colitis. Normal microbiota live in different parts of the human body that includes upper respiratory tract, skin, female reproductive tract, oral cavity, urinary tract, and intestines.